Hello everyone, welcome back to Khmerue team officer channel. Today in my video tutorial I will take you how to make the SEO highest ranking inside the search result in Google search engine. It is called the title sweeping. It generally called like this because it can optimize your SEO position and it can make your title to be highest ranking in the web search in Google search engine result. So to do this you need to go to my blogspot website here that I have put the link in the description below, and this time you gonna scroll down more and find this one here. It's called data blocks page title. Okay, now right click and select like this and copy that, and now go to the theme here, click on that and click on edit HTML, and this time click anywhere inside your block code areas and press Ctrl F to find this word inside the code area. So now after pass it inside the searching box here and hit enter, you will take you directly to this word. It means it has a title page, but I'm not recommend to search with this tag because sometimes it's not gonna be show you inside the search result. So if you found this, now select all of this part that starting with the title like this, and then go to copy this code here. Go ahead and select all this code like this and right click on that and then copy, and then go back to the HTML code and then pass it or replace it with this one. Okay, right click on that and select on the path here. And now you have already put that. If you see something wrong inside this code area, you can press Ctrl Z to undo everything and reselect it again if you make a mistake with that, and then press Ctrl V to pass all of these things. And now you can save the template now. So click on save, and now this time after you have been already saved, it means you got an SEO high rankings and got optimizations, rankings, and the title is ranking high ranking inside the Google search result or engine. So thank you for watching my video tutorials.